Hello everyone, welcome to Lifestyle. Today I'm going to make pizza base and then we'll make the pizza. So let's get started. So now in a bowl I'm going to take 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. Adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add salt to taste. Adding some chili flakes. It's optional, you can skip it. Now I'm going to add oil. Here I'm using olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Please do subscribe, like and share. Now mix all these ingredients well. Adding 1 cup of curd or dahi. Now time to knead it. Kneading is done. Now I'm going to roll it. Now take out a portion. Dust some maida or all-purpose flour. Now time to roll it with a rolling pin. By using a fork, make some holes. I'm folding the sides a little bit and then we'll add the sauce and toppings. Here I'm using homemade pizza sauce. If you want the recipe of pizza sauce, please comment me below. I will make a video of it. Now I'm going to add toppings. You can add toppings according to your choice. Adding some chopped capsicum, onion and tomatoes. Adding basil and pickled lemon now. Adding some chili flakes and then we'll add cheese. Adding little bit of salt for the veggies. Now sprinkle some olive oil over the top. Bake it in the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Our pizza is ready. So I'm going to taste it right now. I hope you love the video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.